The kitchen.
The living room.
The dining room.
Start here.
The sidewalk.
Okay, before that video is some example about the silent way method in the classroom. So today I would like to presentation about my material that is about the silent way. Firstly, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Komangga Siladharma and I am the one of student of ITP Markandia. So today I continue about the material of definition of the silent way. The silent way is the one of method to learn the language. Silent way founded in the early 1970s by Egyptian mathematician and educator Caleb Gatineau. It is based on the idea that language learning can be enhanced in three main ways. Firstly, discover rather than teachings. The second one, problem solving in the target language. The third one is the use of physical tools. Physical tools is about the root. The roots are using to present something that will be influenced the language learning using the silent way. The roots can represent things like a pencil, pen, eraser, and large object. The silent way, the teacher is a facilitator, intervening vocally only if absolutely necessary. He only acts as a guide, organizer, and student error evaluator. So the teacher in here is to be the evaluator about the student error. The typical of silent way lessons. Target language, some mother tongues. Number 2, the learning centers. Number 3, teacher silent expect as the last resort. Number 4, TL sound present via sound color chart. Number 5, questionnaire that is seem like a root that is like a crayon with a barcode. Represent words in the sentence or express meaning, for example, number, color, or preposition. Number 6, the cooperative spirit between learners encourage. Number 7, a specific teacher gesture indicate correction to be made. Another one is about the theory and characteristic of the silent way. The silent way, as the name suggests, the method prioritizes silence as the best medium in learning, where a teacher should be as quiet as possible and speak when it is necessary. Meanwhile, the students are encouraged to play an active role in producing as much language as possible in this way and become independent learners. So the student here must be independent learners. In silent, consider the best instrument for classroom learning because in silence, students concentrate on the task to be completed and the potential means for its achievement. And the second one, the technique of the silent way made it possible for the teacher to say less and less the lesson advance, while the pupils were saying more and using their own inner criteria developed in this approach. How to application the silent way in the classroom. This is some example about the how the application the silent way in the classroom. The silent way is not a teacher-centered approach, while the teacher uses mainly gesture and facial expression to address the learners his or her main task in the teaching of the language by letting the student test out grammatical forms, etc., and getting out of their way so that they can discover the things on their own. For example, when you come to the class, in the first stage, the teacher sings something with the root or root as a representative. Each root represents a different object. For example, a red bar represents a red pencil. A blue bar represents a blue pencil. A green bar represents a green pencil. The teacher just cites all the things only in the beginning of the time and the student following it. In the next stage, the teacher points a road to the students and they have mentioned something that was said by the teacher. Okay, that's all about my materi. If I do a mistake, please give me the apologize. So thank you so much. Bye bye.